Hi there, this is Mark P. Summers, and I'm going to show you in this video how to deal with a failed Play Store submission. You are going to get this error the very first time you submit your mobile apps to the app stores via famous.ai or any AI builder. You're going to get the same error for that very first time. And here is why. Let's go in and dive in exactly what the error is, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Here we go. So in your Expo login, you'll see that the apps were pushed to you, and then you can go ahead and click on the error here, and it will give you more information. So in this case, it completed the spin up submission worker, but the submission to the Play Store did in fact fail. So we're going to open up this and see why it failed. And the reason it failed is because we haven't used the Android Developer API to send an app to this API key before. And so all it's asking is, can we give it permission? And so in this error, there's this little link here to the permission manager. You're going to click on that link and it will open up a screen that looks like this. Now, I'm actually logged in with a different Google account to what that API was connected to. So you will need to make sure that you are in the right Google account from the account that you set up all of the API keys and service accounts and so forth. Now I'm in the right account, you'll see that it's asking me to enable the Google Play Android Developer API. So we can go ahead, click enable on that. It would do its work, and boom, now it's enabled. Now if you submit the build one more time, you won't get that error anymore. It's as easy as that.